Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. This is Sajid Qureshi and today I am going to explain how we can change direct speech into indirect speech. Direct speech contains actual words of the speaker, whereas indirect speech is the word is actually the message which is conveyed to others, and there are certain changes occur when we convert from direct to indirect speech. Here is an example of direct speech. She said to me, I am not accompanying you tomorrow. This direct speech sentence has two parts or two clauses. This clause, which is out of inverted commas, is called reporting speech, and the clause which is within inverted commas is called reported speech. Well, when we convert from direct to indirect speech, all the changes occur in this clause, which is within inverted commas. Which is reporting speech verb. This is called a speech verb. This can be changed. This can be made like said to, can be written into told or messaged or conveyed or informed according to the context. So the three changes, converting from direct to indirect speech, three changes occur. You see here, we connect it, we remove inverted commas in indirect speech and connect it with that. She told me that. Now this I will change into she because the first person changes according to subject. She. Am not is the tense, change into present tense into past tense. Was not, accompanying will remain same. Another pronoun you. A you will be changed according to the object. Object is me, so it will become me. And tomorrow is the timeline. This will be changed as per the rule next day. So this sentence will become, she told me that she was not accompanying me next day. Alright. These are the changes. The three changes occur when we convert from direct to indirect speech. Changes of tenses, changes of pronouns, and changes of words. Now this is first one, changes of tenses. Converting from direct to indirect speech, simple present, subject plus first form will change into simple past tense, subject plus second form. For example, if it is he eats, so it will be he ate. If it is simple past tense, the simple past tense will change into past perfect tense. Subject plus second form will change into subject plus had plus third form of verb. If there is ismr in the direct speech, this will be changed into was were. If there is already was were in direct speech, this will be converted into had been. Okay, and if there is has or there is have, this will be into had. This will be changed to had. Will has to change into would, can into could, may into might, shall into should, and must will remain must. These are the modal verbs. Will, can, would, may, shall, all these are modal verbs, and the modal verbs remain same, only the first one. The second change is of the changes of pronoun. How we change the pronouns. This is reporting speech, as I told you, she said to me. This is subject and this one is called object. Okay. First person. The pronouns are divided into three persons. First person, second person, third person. These are all first person. This is first person singular. We from here, this is first person plural. In second person, all remain same except yourself for singular and yourselves for plural. Third person singular, she, her, hers, herself. These are all third person singular up till here, and they, them, and this is third person plural. What changes occur? First person will change according to subject. If the subject is she, this will become she. If the subject is, for example, he or they, this will become accordingly. If there is a second person changes according to object. Okay? And third person does not change. Remember, third person changes. Here are the rules. First person changes according to the subject. Second person changes according to the object. And third person does not change. Okay? For example, this sentence. She said to me, I will give you his book tomorrow. So she told me that this first person according to subject will change according to subject, and that will be as per the For example, she said to me, I will give you his book tomorrow. So she told me that first person, according to subject, she, will into would, give will remain same because this is a modal verb. You is the second person, will be changed according to the object, and this will become me. His, since it is a third person, his, so there is no change. Book will remain same, and next day will change according to the rule. Tomorrow will change into next day. So these are the changes of pronoun. Now third change is the changes of timeline and place. Okay. If in direct speech, you see direct speech contains now, this will become then. A direct speech contains this will become that. Direct speech contains these, this will become those. Today will become that day, tomorrow will become next day, yesterday will become previous day, tonight will become that night, and here will change into there.